Omoyele Sowore, for whatever reason, thinks that he is in competition with Peter Obi, the former governor of Anambra State and the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the 2023 presidential election. Omoyele Sowore contested the last presidential election. As I'm doing this video, I can't even remember the name of the party he contested under, and I don't even care. But I discovered that Omoyele Sowore is fixated on Peter Obi. He talks about Peter Obi far more than he talks about the government of the day. He's so concerned about Peter Obi more than the concern about the hardship in the country. Sometimes I can't differentiate between Omoyele Sowore and Reno Omokre, Daniel Buala, Femi Fani-Kayode, and all others who profit from talking about Peter Obi. And that gives me the impression that there must be some agenda he is pursuing. He's either playing the card of Bola Ahmed Tinubu or something else. Because his fixation with Peter Obi cannot be ordinary. This has become a well-orchestrated agenda, similar to the agenda of Reno Omokre and others, who, after the performance of Peter Obi in the 2023 presidential election, in which the election was stolen from him, the government of the day gathered an array of attack dogs whose job details were to ensure that Peter Obi is demarcated right, left, and center, and to ensure that he doesn't pull off the kind of magic he pulled off in 2023. And many of those who are involved in that had been rewarded. Some of them rewarded openly, like Daniel Buala. Others are being rewarded secretly, even when they are abroad. And we all can perceive it. Many are being rewarded secretly for the role they played. One of them, once he sneaked back into the country, and I saw his picture with National Security Advisor, I knew that he had been given his job detail. Since that time, this man no day will pass without posting something about. He must post at least 10 issues about Peter Obi. Those of us who can read between the lines immediately concluded that he has been given a national assignment, and that national assignment is to run down Peter Obi. It seems to me that Omoyele Sowore is one of those who are profiting from the Peter Obi brand. How to demarket it, how to destroy it, how to make it irrelevant. No day passes by will you not see a negative report on Peter Obi from Omoyele Sowore. And to show you that they know what they were doing, Peter Obi was not the only presidential candidate in the 2023 presidential election who is still seen as a potential presidential candidate in 2027. We have Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, the presidential candidate of the New Nigeria People's Party in the 2023 presidential election. We have Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party in the 2023 presidential election. Hardly do you see Sowore write or say anything about these two people and others. But it's always Peter Obi that they are following anywhere he goes. They have become like MTN, following Peter Obi everywhere. looking for what they will publish. Only recently, he said that P2B is going to be deputize another person in 2 years' time, and try to mock P2B supporters, that they will justify it, that it was all utter nonsense. But what he conveyed to me is what I'm sharing with you now, that it was another clear indication that Sowore is working for Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Because forget about his criticism of Bola Ahmed Tinubu from time to time. Those who are smoke screens. You see people like Sowore, people like Adeyonju, who always speak on Peter Obi. They know that their preferred candidates, they stand no chance. Sowore can't be elected president. He doesn't have the numbers. Nobody takes him serious. Even the youths have no respect for him. Perhaps they think that he can compete for the youth support that P2B enjoys through his the obedient movement. Sowore wish that he could be the person who has the support of the youths like Peter Obi. But he does not, and he cannot, because even the youths know that he cannot be trusted like Peter Obi. Peter Obi's leadership has been tested in Anambra State, and Peter Obi had been found squeaky clean. EFCC has nothing on him, unlike those who contested with him in the 2023 presidential election, including the one that INEC declared the winner. If you are in doubt, go and read Obasanjo's book, My Watch. Obasanjo wrote in that book, and Tinubu has not contradicted him, that Nuhu Ribado, the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, presented him a file containing all the governors in Nigeria when he was president. And he said that when he opened the file of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that was the worst case scenario of corruption, according to Obasanjo, in his book, My Watch. Are we talking about Atiku Abubakar? Just go to type Atiku Abubakar and corruption and see what Google will give you. But Peter Obi had always remained the shining star who has shown that you can govern with integrity. And that was why Nigerians voted for him overwhelmingly, hoping that he will bring change. But INEC changed this change to the disadvantage of the Nigerian people. So Sowore's fixation with Peter Obi should be seen for what it is: working for the government in power. It is only in Nigeria that one of those who claim that they are presidential candidates will be attacking each other instead of attacking the main problem of the country, the government in power. And that's one thing you can't take away from Peter Obi. Peter Obi has no time. He will never talk about Sowore. He will never talk about Atiku Abubakar. He will never talk about Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso. They are not the people in charge. They are not the people that messed up the Nigerian Naira. They are not the people that increased the price of fuel to what it is today. They are not the people ruining the country, creating unprecedented unemployment. They are not the people responsible for the unprecedented insecurity in the country and unemployment. It is Bola Ahmed Tinubu. All over the world, it is the government of the day that those who claim that they can do better than him will be challenging, be talking about, but not Sowore. Sowore is more fixated with Peter Obi instead of with the government of the day. which therefore gave the indication that Sowore is doing the work, doing the bidding of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, whether he'll admit it or not. That is what he's doing. Because for him to fix his mind in the marketing, the only credible candidate that can change Tinubu, it also means that he's working to destroy that person so that Tinubu cannot be changed. Because he is Sowore, stands no chance. He cannot even win any ward in Nigeria today. Talk more of winning a local government. He should know it. So by his action, we are constrained to say that Sowore is working for Bola Ahmed Tinubu in his constant criticisms of Peter Obi. That's my take. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.